Most people think they are using flax seeds correctly, but 80% are not. And because of that, they miss out on the real benefits, or worse, end up with bloating, thyroid issues, or no results at all. In this video, I will show you the right way to use flax seeds for maximum benefit, the mistakes that make them harmful, the exact dosage and storage method for best results. Hi, I am Kavita Narang, and by the end of this video, you will know everything about flax seeds, your body's best friend. Starting with who should avoid flax seeds. Before we start, let's talk about restrictions or warning signs, because natural doesn't always mean it's for everyone. So if you have thyroid issues, avoid or limit flax seeds. They can interfere with iodine absorption. If you're allergic or experience gas, bloating, stop immediately. Pregnant women should avoid them unless a doctor approves it. And if you're using flaxseed oil, never heat it. High temperatures destroy its omega-3s and create harmful compounds. Knowing who should not use them keeps everyone else safe to get the benefits. Next, what's the correct dosage? Talking about the correct dosage for flax seeds. Start slow. Your gut needs time to adapt. Week 1, start with half teaspoon a day. After a week, increase to half teaspoon in the morning and half teaspoon in the evening. Eventually, 1 tablespoon twice daily is ideal. Never exceed 2 tablespoons a day, because more does not mean it's better. Each tablespoon is 55 calories, 4.2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, 2.8 grams of fibers, and 2 grams of protein. A nutrient-dense superfood in 1 spoonful. Next, why flax seeds are so powerful. What's the science behind the benefits? Well, flax seeds provide numerous health benefits, mainly because they are rich in fiber and healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids. The first and most important benefit is for your digestive system. Flax seeds help relieve constipation. It acts as a natural laxative, cleaning your intestines and supporting healthy bowel movements. Flax seeds feed good gut bacteria, improving digestion and reducing inflammation. Secondly, if your cholesterol or triglyceride levels are high, flax seeds can help lower them naturally. It can balance cholesterol by binding LDL and removing it through waste. Ayurveda says if your gut is clean, 70% of diseases disappear. That's exactly what flax seeds do. They heal the gut from inside out. Third, they also help with weight loss. High fiber keeps you full longer and reduces appetite, making them a great addition to any weight management plan. Fourth, it supports hormone health. In women, when used in the first half of the cycle, they balance estrogen naturally. Fifth, flax seeds boost bone and joint strength. The omega-3s reduce joint pain and inflammation. And finally, flax seeds improve skin glow. Healthy fats hydrate your skin from within. It's not a magic pill, it's a nutrition powerhouse that works from inside out. So yes, flax seeds are wonderful. But here's the thing. Most people make a big mistake when consuming them. Let's go over the common mistakes. Usually, people buy raw flax seeds from the market and start eating them directly. That's a major mistake. When you eat raw flax seeds, not only do you miss out on their nutrients, but you may also expose yourself to natural toxins called phytic acid present in the outer layer of the seed, which blocks nutrient absorption and can cause mild digestive discomfort or other issues over time. So please don't eat raw flax seeds directly. How to eat them? Step 1. Roast the flax seeds. Whenever you buy flax seeds, make sure they're organic and good quality. After bringing them home, the first thing you should do is roast them lightly. Take a non-stick pan, add the flax seeds and roast them for about 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. Never use high heat. Step 2. Grind the seeds. Now here's another common issue. The outer shell of flax seeds is extremely hard. If you eat whole flax seeds, your stomach can't digest them properly. They will pass through your system undigested and you won't get any nutrition. So after roasting, put them in a grinder and make a fine flaxseed powder. Step 3. Store it properly. Store the powder in an airtight glass jar. Use a dark or opaque glass so that sunlight doesn't damage the nutrients. Seal the jar tightly and keep it in the refrigerator to preserve freshness and prevent the oil from turning rancid. Step 4. How to consume it. Whenever you want to take flax seeds, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed powder, soak it in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink the water and eat the soaked powder together. This way, your body absorbs the nutrients fully and you get the maximum benefit, including better digestion, balanced cholesterol, glowing skin, and improved energy levels. Flax absorbs water and expands, so you must stay hydrated to avoid bloating and maximize its detox effect. Use the powder within 10 days for maximum freshness. After that, make a new batch. Why this method works? By roasting and grinding, you destroy harmful toxins and make all the nutrients, omega-3s, fiber, and lignans easily absorbable. Your body can now digest and use everything efficiently. So this is the correct way to use flax seeds for best results and no side effects. Now, when should you take flax seeds? What's the best season to take flax seeds? Flax seeds generate heat in the body, so the best season is winter. In summer, simply reduce your dose by half. You can consume them year-round if you stay hydrated. So, now you know the right way to use flax seeds safely, effectively, and powerfully. Now, here's my challenge for you. Try this flaxseed method for just 10 days. Roast, grind, soak, and consume correctly. And then tell me in the comments what changes you feel. You will notice smoother digestion, better energy, glowing skin, and maybe even lower cholesterol levels. If that happens, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button and share this video with one friend who needs it, and subscribe so you never miss a single natural health secret again. See you in the next video where we will decode another simple ingredient that can transform your body from the inside out.